What can you do with an 18-year-old grill that has seen better days, you might ask? Well, you turn it into an herb garden, of course. This was the very first, and until recently, the only grill we've owned since before we were married. And it has more than served its time. So I thought a pleasant retirement as an herb garden would not only be fun, but also something easy to access by the back door, and it's a perfect height for easy gardening. But first, we need to get this old girl cleaned up. Man, this poor grill.
Ew.
It's gross. No! Whoops. I guess that's why the burner wasn't working.
That just turns into a flamethrower.
Yeah, not a grill anymore. Wow! Whoops. Twist! Twist! Oh my gosh, just twist! Oh look, there's a pin holding it in still. Wow. That's all that was holding the lid on?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's just that.
Safety first, kids. That's a whole lot of bacon bits. It's probably more like burger bits.
Brisket. Smoked brisket.
Smoked brisket. Mmm. Those are the days. I mean, you really could have left that in. The plants would have just grown right around it. But this does look nice. Well, it will when it's clean. I think it would be cute if we used this too, and then but actually left the grate on for it to grow through. So, you know, it would be plants growing through the. So it still looks like a grill. It's our herb grill. We need to come up with a cute name for it. Mike was not impressed with my idea to name the grill garden the Root Roaster, so maybe you guys can help me out by sharing some name ideas in the comments. Charlean is already taken though, because that's what we call our active grill that provides us with lots of tasty, charred, lean vegetables. Gotta give them a better show than that.
Can't afford that.
We will be using some of the existing herbs that we still have growing from last year, as well as a couple that I purchased from the store, and some seeds, so we can really fill up this grill. After doing a thorough cleaning of the grill, Mike took advantage of the pressure washer being out to clean up the patio. We then cut 2 layers of the heavy-duty landscaping material to size so that we could use it inside of the grill. I did lose some of that footage, but we basically just laid it down, trimmed off the edges, and filled it with soil before moving on to the side grill. We already had some of the plants going from last year, a couple of new ones that were from starts, but I'm going to plant my basil from seeds. So I'm going to plant some dark opal basil and Genovese basil right here in the back. So we're trying to get this out.
Right.
And leave the rest. It's already looking so cute though. I think the hammer might do it. Yeah, nice. When all else fails, hit it with a hammer. Ta-da! Perfect. We're gonna try out this potting soil we've never used before. Fingers crossed it's good stuff, because perfect. Well, I might need to fiddle with it a little bit. There we go. There we go. I don't know why I find that so satisfying, but I really wanted plants to be growing out of what looked like the grill. Mike also put down some stepping stones off the side of the patio so that the grill would remain just out of the way, but still easy access. I still have a bit more planting to do, but overall, I'm even happier with this thrifty project than I expected to be. If you happen to notice the knife and spoon plant markers in the garden, these were from a friend of mine at Peace Traveler Art. I'm not sponsored, but if you're looking for hand-stamped jewelry, dog tags, or other artistic beauties, I can't think of a more wonderful person to support. She and her husband go on mission trips, and all of the funds from her sales go to the cost of supply overhead and trip costs.